Welcome to Plate Tectonics 101, types of plate movement and plate boundaries. I'm your host, Drew Manson. The first type of plate movement we will be learning about is divergent oceanic plate to oceanic plate. Plate motion spreads, allowing magma to form a mid-ocean ridge underwater. This happens in the Atlantic Ocean. The next plate movement is the divergent continental plate to continental plate. This is caused by plate motion stretching the lithosphere, allowing a hot rock plume to rise from the mantle, bending and fracturing the crust, which also allows magma to come through, creating a rift valley. This happens in Africa and Europe. The next type of plate movement is convergent oceanic plate to continental plate. This happens when the continental lithosphere converges with the oceanic lithosphere. The less dense continental lithosphere remains floating, while the denser oceanic lithosphere sinks into the asthenosphere. This happens in South America, Asia, and the North American plate. The final plate boundary movement is the continental plate to continental plate convergent boundary. An oceanic lithosphere is subducted beneath a continental lithosphere, and if this subducting plate has continental lithosphere, the plates and continents collide and form complex mountains. The next type of boundary is the transform boundary. Plates grind past each other without destroying the lithosphere. This happens in California and Canada. And the final boundary type is hotspots. Hotspots are when a mantle plume nears to the top of the mantle but does not push through, melts into magma, and creates a volcanic region a few kilometers wide. This happens in Hawaii and other Pacific island chains. Thank you for watching Plate Boundaries 101, types of plate movement and plate boundaries. I'm your host, Drew Manson. That's all the time we have for today.